In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can slow down or speed up your voiceover speech on your videos using InShot. So if you had added a voiceover on your video using InShot, it is pretty much simple to speed it up or to slow it down. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. All right, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and tap on audio here, and then this will expose the voiceover on your video. As you can see, this is the video track and this is the voiceover track. So I like to speed this up or slow it down. To do so, just tap on it first, select it like that, and then move this bar, and then you'll see this option called speed. If you tap on speed, now you can go ahead. You can see currently it is at 1. That is the normal speed. But if you want it to be much quicker, go ahead and increase this. But you have to note that if you increase that, it will shorten the length of that voiceover track. So you'll have maybe to duplicate it quite a number of times to make it long, or to cover the whole track if you wish so. Or you can as well make it much slower by reducing to less than 1. Once you're done, go ahead and tap on this mark to save your changes, and then okay, just like that, and you'll be done. So that's how you reduce or increase the voiceover speed on your InShot videos. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.